Hi, my name is Sylvie and my job is to take the overwhelm out of paleo living. Today I'm going to show you my easiest, simplest bone broth recipe. I make it in the Instant Pot. It takes less than 1 minute, I'm sure. So let's get started. Before we do anything else, let's talk about what ingredients you need to make your bone broth. And also, if you're curious about the difference between bone broth and stock, check the description below. I'll leave a link for you to look it up. As far as the bone broth is concerned, all I use is bones from roasted chicken that I make. So I buy 2 whole chickens, I roast them in the oven, we eat them, and then I just keep the bones and use them for the broth. You can also add some veggies to your broth. A lot of people add herbs and carrots, celery, onions. I mean, your imagination is the limit. But since today we are talking about the easiest, simplest recipe ever, let me tell you what I've been doing. All I use is the bones, nothing else, and this makes a delicious and flavorful bone broth. You really don't need to add all the extras, but if you feel inclined to do so, for sure, go ahead and do it. But I like to make it fast and easy. You can also, some people recommend you add some vinegar to your bone broth. It's supposed to help draw all the minerals out of your bones. I don't know. I usually don't bother with that. I haven't found much research to support that. And my bone broth is very gelatinous. It's delicious. So yeah, I don't do that. So this is about how much two regular size chickens give me as far as the bones go. Then you just fill your pot to the maximum capacity with water. Just in case you do not have the broth setting on your pressure cooker, let me show you how many minutes that is. 30 minutes. So it's that easy. If you enjoy practical step-by-step videos that will show you how to make all kinds of paleo foods, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below if you have any questions. I would love to hear from you, and have a great day.